Okay, welcome, dear viewers, in our online program with another day. We thank Almighty Allah for keeping us alive and safe. So now we are proceeding with our lesson. Remember, we are talking about algebra, and the previous lesson we started talking about algebra. We defined what is algebra, and we've seen type of algebras, and also we ended there at the algebraic expression, whereby we've seen some terminologies which define algebraic expression. So today we are continuing with our lesson on how to simplify algebraic expression. How to simplify algebraic expression. As I said earlier, concerning algebraic expression, we cannot ask it to find the value, but the question when it comes, they ask you how to simplify. So now let us see how to simplify algebraic expression through this example. Okay, example 1. The example says that simplify each of the following expression. Okay, we've given here example number 1 question. Roman 1, say n plus n plus n plus n plus k plus k plus k plus x plus x. Roman number 2, 3x plus 4y minus 7z plus 3x minus 7z minus 7y plus 2z. Number 3, we've given here 3.5x plus 7x minus 1/4x. Also, the last example is Roman number 4, which says that 8m plus 0.4m minus 2 minus 6m plus 8. So we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. So how do we simplify? We simplify as follows. Through solution. Okay, solution. Let us write solution. Solutions. Starting with Roman 1, we are given n plus n plus n plus n plus k plus k plus k plus x plus x plus x. This is x. So in order to simplify this algebraic expression, as I said earlier, we have to plus the right terms. We have to plus the right terms in order to make it simple. So we have to plus. Okay, n plus n plus n is equal to, remember I said if you are given a letter alone, behind the letter there is a coefficient. The coefficient of that letter is 1. So 1n plus 1n plus 1n, we get 3n. Plus, not 3n, 4n, we get 4n. because there are 4n there, plus 1k plus 1k plus 1k, we get 3k. This is 3k plus x plus x, 1x plus 1x, you get 2x. So you have already simplified this algebraic expression. You cannot go further because all like terms you have already added them. So there is a 4n here, 3k plus 4n plus 3k plus 2x. That is for question number 1. Okay, question number 2. Number number 2, you are given 3x plus 4y minus 7z plus 3x minus 7y plus 2z. I would like to write z like that in order to differentiate it from 2. So therefore, in order to simplify this algebraic expression, the first thing you are required to do is to arrange the like term. Arrange the like term together and the like term together. So you take 3x plus 3x and then another 4y plus 4y minus 7y, and another is you take this one 7, but the sign behind the 7 is negative, so minus 7z plus 2z. So now you can simplify because you have arranged them accordingly. The like term there, you have put the like term together. So now 3x plus 3x, you get 6x plus 4y minus 7y, you get how much? 4y minus 7x. 4 is small, 4 is bigger, and this 4y minus 7y, you get the answer there is negative 3y. Negative 3y. Okay, the last one finished there. Negative 7z plus 2z. You get negative 5z. So there you already finished question number 2. You have already finished to simplify question number 2. And why do I say negative 7? Because since this operator is behind the number, so we consider the number as a negative number. That's why we say positive 4 minus negative 7 in order to make it easy. You have 4 and you owe someone 7. So how much, when you give that 4, what will remain? You will remain, that person will remain owe you 3. So that's why we say negative. So 6 minus 3y minus 6 minus 3y. Okay, here also in case of z, 7z plus 2z, you get negative 5. You have 2 and you owe someone 7. So if you give that someone 2, you remain with that person will remain owe you 5. Kwa hiyo hivyo ndo jinsi ya kusimplify kama tulivyoona hapo. Okay, another question. Question number 3, you are given 3 and a half x plus 7x minus 1 over 4x. In order to simplify fraction, first of all, you have to arrange them. Those fractions, put them together, and those with no fraction, put together. Put alone. So we take 3 a half x minus 1 over 4x plus 7x. So when we are dealing with fractions, so you have to first add the fraction. How do we add the fraction? As follows. I think most of you know how to add and subtract the fraction. So here we have to subtract 1 over 3 and a half x minus 1 over 1 over 4x. So in order to simplify, let's change this fraction 3.5x. Let's put it in improper fraction. This is in a mixed fraction. So in order to add it with that fraction, you have to change it into mixed into improper fraction. So we take 2 times 3, you get how much? You will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Take 2 times 3, you get how much? 3. Plus, you get 6. 2 times 3, you get 6. 6 plus 1, you get 7. So, is 7x over 2 minus 1 over 4x plus 7x. Also, in order to put 7 in a fraction form, you have to put it under 1. So now we can continue with that. We can continue with that question. Okay, let's find first of all. Let's find the LCM. Let me have the top one here, so that we can continue. We can finish that topic. We can finish that question there, because my blackboard is very short, so that I have to shift it backward so that you can see how we can proceed with this question well. So now find the LCM between 2, 4 and 1. The LCM between 2, 4 and 1 is 2, is 4. LCM, you know how to calculate the LCM. The LCM is the least common multiple of these numbers. Least common multiple of 2, 4 and 1 is 4. So therefore, we take 4 divided by 2. We get how much? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 7, you get 14x. Minus 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 plus 1 times x, x. Well, you get x here plus 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4, you get 4. 4 times 7, you get 28x. So there, now you are talking. There we have to do simple basic mathematical operation there. So I will write it there on the top. I will write it here on the top so that you can see. So there we take 14x minus x, you get how much? 14x minus x, you get 13x plus 28x is equal to over what? Over 4. 14 minus x, 13 plus this one. So here we have to plus there. How do we plus? We plus as follow. We want to simplify it. So when you plus there, you get 11. 3 times 8, 11. You write 1. Okay, 1 and 1 plus 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3, and that one 4. So 41x divided by x. So in order to make it simple, your answer, you can put your answer in a mixed fraction. So you have to divide it there. Your answer will be, when you divide it there, your answer will be 41x minus divided by 4. 41x divided by 4. 4 divided by 41, you write 10. 40 over, remains 1 over 4x. 1 over 4x. So this is our answer of this question. The answer of this question is this one. So when you simplify this question, your answer is 10 and the quarter x. I think that you have understood how to simplify this question. Okay, now let's finish with question number 5. solution for number 5. For question number 4, solution for question number 4 is 8m plus 0.4m minus 2 minus m plus 8. So how to simplify? Arrange them. Those numbers with letters, arrange them together. So 8m plus 0.4m plus, no, not plus, minus 6m minus 2 plus 8. So in order to do that, we have to add this and this, and then minus this one. So 8m plus 0.4m, you get how much? If you don't know, you can do it aside. You take 0.4m plus 8m. 8 is a whole number, so 8 plus 0m. When you plus there, you get 8.4m. So the answer is 80.4m minus 6m minus, okay, there, when you take negative 2 plus 8, you get how much? You get 2 plus 8. 2 plus negative 2 plus 8, you get plus 6. Someone owe you 2 and you have right. When you give that 2, you remain with 6. So there, we finish that one. We take 8.4m minus 6. You get how much? In order to minus there, you have to take, you do it aside, take 8.4m minus 6.0m. So when you minus there, you get m 4.82. So you get 2.4m plus 6. So this is your answer. This is your answer. So for that case, you will be, that is how to simplify algebraic expression like this one. This is how to simplify this algebraic expression. Now I have a homework for you. I have a homework. Do this homework. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. You are given number 1. Simplify the following. You are given 3a minus 5b minus 7a plus 6c plus 7a plus 80b. That is question number 1. Number 2, 14x plus 8 minus 3x plus 2. The last one is 1 over 3x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 over 5x. Okay, this is the end. So when you finish doing this exercise homework, in order for me to mark your exercise or your homework, you are supposed to do it on a paper. But before doing it, make sure on top of that paper, write your name and the school you are studying. And then after doing it, then you will photocopy that paper. You will photograph that paper or take a picture of it and then send me through my WhatsApp number. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get more lessons concerning this topic. I think you have understood well. Thank you very much for listening and have a nice day.